tarmac. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Viper inbound. Targets are in sight. Stand by for fire. Inbound with 30 mic. Here comes gun run. Away. Take out that enemy armor. Enemy armor down there. Take him out. Reloading. Hellfire is good to go. Enemy armor on the deck. Hit him with a missile. Got that motherfucker. East coast. Target is up. Take out that enemy armor. Get back. Nice. Enemy armor down there. Take him out. Oh yeah, got him. Enemy armor on the deck. Hit him with a missile. Stand by. Take out that enemy armor. Missile is ready. Boom. Roasted. Enemy armor is destroyed. Now get after the guys on foot. Got a guy aiming an RPG at us. Hit him. Get after him. We're calling here. Fucked him up. All targets destroyed. Tarmac is clear of enemy movement. Over.
Solid copy, Viper 1-1. Appreciate the high heat. Don't be a stranger.
By choice.
I know.
So you do kill Russians?
Only the bad ones.
Today was a great victory for us. Thank you.
We make a good team.
Yes, we've bought time, but Barker will retaliate.